Gossip, one of the worst things in our personal life and our professional life. I don't want to be around gossip, right? So I don't know what the circumstances were for her leaving the organization. Could be great, right? Could be that she just, gosh darn it, is going to go off to the Peace Corps. I don't know, but I don't want to attach myself, because what if she's off with a competitor and now I keep referencing her and now this person's like, I better be careful of what I say to Matt because he's probably still talking to Rhonda, right? Just dang, dumbass new guy, right? Like I'm so focused on the deal. Yeah, I hadn't heard, right? And if you had heard, don't lie. Just be like, oh, I heard, right? Cool. Don't talk any. I heard. Just proceed, right? Like I don't want to know what's going on down there on the ground. I just want permission to land on runway X, right? I'm not here to talk about all the other nonsense that's going down. Just can we get this landed? Yes. Cool. Thanks. And get it in there and then get out. Because also what that's going to do later on is allow you to reach back out to that other person, right? And maybe there's a whole nother deal wherever they landed. We don't want to talk smack about anybody, right? Like we want to talk about where's their organization? Where do they want to be? How can we help them get there? Avoid the personal talk of why people left. And you'll find that everybody will want to do business with you then.
Hey Dad, what's an easy way for salespeople to make a lot more money right now?
I got you, and I got you. It's to learn how to close. It's the simplest thing that I teach, and people that know how to close, boom, they start making a lot more money. And I'm gonna pay $300 for you to learn how to close right here, right now. It's the closing mini masterclass from me, from Easton University. I'm gonna give it away to you for free right now. Click the link, and I will send you the closing mini masterclass for free. You're gonna make a lot more money. They're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money. I want you to take it too, all right? We'll see you on the other side. Grab the closing mini masterclass.